In this video, I will be demonstrating the steps to complete the Week 5 Assignment 3, Previewing Reports. In this assignment, you will preview a report and set up the printing options. Step 1 asks you to download and open the Garden Company Assign 3 database file, and you can see I have that open. Step 2 asks you to click Enable Content if it appears on the security warning bar. Step 3 asks you to save the database with your name at the end of the file name. So you'll click File, Save Database As. You want to make sure where you're going to save it. I'm saving it in my class. And I'm going to add first and last name and click Save. If you get the Enable Content warning, just click that again. Now, step 4 asks us to go to the textbook and complete steps 1 through 15, beginning on page 136. Step 1 asks you to right-click on the alphabetical list of products report and click Print Preview. So under Reports, you'll right-click and select Print Preview. Step 2 asks you to click to the next page on the navigation bar. And to do this repeatedly to see the report, and you can see how it's set up. We'll go back to page 1. If you put your mouse over the report and click, it will zoom in and out. Step 3 asks you to switch to the layout view. And remember, the views are located down here in the bottom right, so you're going to switch to the layout view. And in the Design tab, under Grouping and Totals, to click on the Group and Sort button. In the Group and Sort Total pane, in the group on Product Name, click More. Step 5, click the Do Not Keep Group Together on One Page arrow, and in the list, select Keep Whole Group on One Page. So you'll click and select Keep Whole Group on One Page. Then close the Group and Sort Total pane by clicking on the Group and Sort button again. Step 6 asks you to click on the Print Preview to page through the report. So down here, you click on the Print Preview so that you can page through the report. And now you can see that all the groups are together. No group will break to a second page. Step 7, on the Print Preview tab in the Page Layout, you're going to click Page Setup button. Step 8, you'll click on the Page tab and make sure the size of the paper is set for letter. Step 9, you want to return to the Print Options page and change the top, left, and right margins to 0.75. So it's the top, the left, and the right. Notice we do not change the bottom margin. And then click OK. Now scroll through the report to see the results. And if you scroll through, you notice on page 2, at the bottom here, the page number is on a blank page. So step 11, we're going to switch back to the layout view. And we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the report to find the page number. It'll be at the very bottom. Step 12 asks you to click the page number control and move it and resize it so it aligns approximately with the units in stock column heading. So first we're going to size it because we don't need it that big, and then we'll click when we get that 4-headed arrow and drag it over just so it's right under the units in stock. Step 13 asks you to switch to the Print Preview again, and that's right here. And now you can see, if you click down here, that the page number is here. And if you go through the report by pages, you will have 6 pages of a report. Now, the textbook does have an error. It says you'll have 7 pages, but your report is correct if it has 6 pages and your page number displays at the bottom of each page. Step 14 says you can print the report using the same techniques you would use to print any database object. And of course, you could do that from this print button right here. We're not going to print it for the video. Step 15 asks you to close the report, clicking yes to save your changes. So right over here, we'll close the report. Answer yes to save changes. Now switching back to the classroom instructions, Step 5 asks you to close the database file. Click yes if you're prompted to save your changes, and submit the file to the Week 5 Assignment 3 Dropbox.